We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. Now we have to remove the screws from the motherboard. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now let's remove the metal bracket. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.